Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to actualization your application in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to this operation, click on settings, and on the app side we have a system apps updater. So click on it, and as you see, we have all application which need to be updated. Yep, you see only two, but you click on the all updates, you will see all application which need to be updated. If you want to update all, click on the green button. But if you want to update only a few applications, just click update on every single apps you want to update by manually. Yep. After that, the application will be updated and will be lost from this list. If you don't want to update of some application, just click on ignore, and this application will be not update in this case. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.